Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how TransUnion works with lenders. This is a topic that a lot of people are interested in, especially if you're in the market for a loan. So, let's dive in. Have you ever wondered how lenders know if you're a good risk? Well, that's where credit bureaus like TransUnion come in. They collect and store your financial information, which lenders use to make decisions about whether or not to lend you money. What is TransUnion? TransUnion is one of the three major credit bureaus in the United States. They collect and store information about your credit history, such as your payment history, credit scores, and any outstanding debts. How does TransUnion get your information? Lenders, such as banks, credit card companies, and retailers, report your credit information to TransUnion. This information is then used to create your credit report. What is a credit report? Your credit report is a detailed summary of your credit history. It includes information about your personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. It also includes information about your credit accounts, such as your credit cards, loans, and mortgages. How do lenders use your credit report? Lenders use your credit report to assess your risk as a borrower. They look at your credit score, which is a number that summarizes your creditworthiness. They also look at your payment history to see if you make your payments on time. What can you do to improve your credit score? There are a few things you can do to improve your credit score. These include paying your bills on time and in full, keeping your credit balances low, not applying for too many new credit cards, checking your credit report for errors and disputing any inaccurate information. How does TransUnion work with lenders? TransUnion provides lenders with access to your credit report. Lenders can then use this information to make decisions about whether or not to lend you money, and if so, what terms to offer you. What are the benefits of using TransUnion? There are a number of benefits to using TransUnion. For lenders, TransUnion provides them with valuable information that they can use to make informed decisions about lending. For consumers, TransUnion helps them to understand their creditworthiness and improve their credit scores. So, that's how TransUnion works with lenders. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll be back next week with another video. In the meantime, be sure to check out my other videos on personal finance.